What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bravo back with another video. I know it's been a while, but man, your boy got him a V. That's a good thing. Shit, I'm blessed. Woke up, family good. Got a couple of boxes of cereal, a couple of pieces in the refrigerator, some milk. What more can a nigga that was born in the projects ask for? You feel me? It's just been crazy, man, as far as this neighborhood, man. I ain't gonna give too much detail to location, even though I only got 2.5 viewers. Shit, might be subscribers, but I don't even need to put that in the atmosphere. Let me pray to Allah that don't happen. Akbar Ham. Yeah, man, it's just like crazy where I live at though now, man. Hopefully we get out this motherfucker soon, man, because where I live at, man, I'm going to just say past 87, I thought it was cool. But I live in the 90s, and this motherfucker is on fire. She's on fire, fire, fire. Hey, man, my bitch was asleep. They woke us up out of our sleep with the gunshots. Like, I don't know if they was shooting switches, throwing grenades. I don't fucking know who they into it with. Bin Laden. What's that nigga Hussein? I forgot the man name. The nigga that was in the spider hole. But man, they got some shit going on. I don't know about too many hoods from in the 90s. Like kind of east, I know, like the other Boss Pimps. Some of the Manor, Jeffrey Manor, but I don't really know, like, besides that, I really don't know too much about, the 90s and shit. Yeah, it's just crazy, man, where I live at now. It's like fucking, like, what the fuck? Like, wow. Man, like, I never heard about this area. Yeah, I just never heard about this motherfucker area, man. This motherfucker Burnside community, they burning this motherfucker on fire, for real. You know, they burning this motherfucker on fire. Like, they just killed, 2 days ago, a 14-year-old. It's crazy, like, when you know, I was talking with my younger cousin, like, and my girl, like, you know, when you growing up, you know, a kid die your age, you know, say you a teenager, whatever. It seemed kind of normal, because, you know, we in the streets, you know, shit happens, you know, you kind of think you got a full understanding of the shit, but, you know, now that I'm older and I see like a 14-year-old killed, it's like, God damn it, bro, that's a baby. That's a baby, bro. Nigga, I was just learning how to touch a titty, suck on the titty, like, learn to roll up. I know it sound all bad shit, just trying to roll up to Reggie, having temper tantrum because I didn't know how to roll up a goddamn switcher like I was a kid, bro. I was still living with my moms, still riding bikes, still doing little kitty shit. Like, you feel me? Still, you know, like, little kid shit, throwing rocks and ding dong did, like, bro, just still flipping on dirty mattresses and shit. I mean, I wasn't, but I was around niggas that were, I don't know why I was sitting there watching, but yeah, like, man, I was a baby, man. It's like 14, like, it's crazy here. My condolences to him and his family. Then I asked, like, I told you I was speaking to my younger cousin. I asked him, like, man, is these shorties, like, really like that? Because he's a little bit older now, but he's still, you know, in tune. He has a brother that's younger than him, that's in that age range. I believe, bro, like 20, maybe 29, 2019, but he in that age range, and they still around. They still got connections to the shorties. I don't really be around the shorties like that. Like, the youngest I am around is probably my cousin. I think he like 23. Pardon the body, y'all 24. But he like, yeah, man, these shorties really like that. And I asked him that because, like, when they were shooting, it paused for like a few seconds. Then it started right back up. And from what my cousin told me is that they spent back around. So these motherfuckers think they GTA King Von Jr.'s around this motherfucker. So they came back around. So that's made me like, damn, what was Shorty out here doing? They came back around and make it 14? Like he out here laying shit like that? He out here slaying shit? Like that's crazy. That's crazy. Like goddamn, you double back on a 14-year-old. You probably, but then motherfuckers that put in my mind like, man, these is 14-year-olds most likely sliding on him. Like, God, these little niggas is crazy, man. We was crazy, but man, hell, we want that. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm a real person. I'm a real man. We want that motherfucker crazy. Hell no. They a different type, bro. They a way different type, man. It's just crazy, man. I hope y'all out there doing good. Around some genuine people, man. Keep y'all head up, especially the ones in the shop. I know it's crazy shit all over. I done lived in a hood out of state and all that shit. Been to hoods out of state. I know, but I'm just speaking on Chicago. This is what I know. This is what I know majority of my damn life. Man, just be safe, man. I don't even be like I don't want to go out. Like unless I go, like I ain't even that the fact that I don't want to go out and that all the shit going on. Like I just don't even be in the mood unless it's somewhere to eat or something. I shoot back. I be cool being in the crib, bro. Give me a little drink, smoke me a few backwoods and call it night. Shit, I don't even need a few, man. This motherfucker Zah they got today, that shit, one wood, I'll be good by myself. I'll be good. Two kind of pushing and a nigga get old, you feel me? So it be like, man, just crazy, man. How these shorties, cause we went like, nah, damn, we finna spin again. We might try to catch a nigga again or some, like another day or another time, but these little niggas, they fuck it, but you gotta think they off all these high powered ass white people drugs shit over that you gotta get prescribed. Now we ain't have all that shit. We had Reggie, some ecstasy, maybe somebody was doing coke, but I'm not our age. But and that's it, probably the most, and some drinking. You feel me? Trying to fake be grown and shit. You know, shit like that. But yeah, man, shit just crazy. But I had seen something, man. Joe Rogan, man. He's interviewing. I never really listened to the guy. I see little clippers on a Mexican rapper, Mexican OT. And I feel like that's not like really Joe Rogan lane. He kind of step out his lane. He really entertains like mainstream artists. Like Mexican OT, is he mainstream? I don't know. I'm getting to the point I'm not even trying to keep up with the rappers and who the new rapper, what's the new song. I like who I like. I believe I said it before. If I hear something I like, you feel me? I might give him a listen. Shit, that shit. It was just surprising to see. I'm like, I don't watch Joe Rogan interviews. I ain't gonna lie, they kind of long and he get into some alien shit and walking on stars and running through metal dandelions and all that shit. Like, he get real deep in depth and shit. I don't be, like, not saying I'm not a deep person. I like to get in depth into certain shit, but it should just be, and then it be like 5 hours long, nigga. I done been and felt asleep, nigga. This fuck, what? This longer than the Scarface movie. Damn, longer than fucking Godfather. I done been and felt. What subject we on? I think I tried to watch his Kanye West interview like probably like 2-3 years ago. You feel me? But it was kind of crazy to see him step in that lane. You feel me? Interviewing, like, you feel me? I feel like that's like Say Cheese Vlad and what's the boy 16 and DJU, man, that bring me idea. What's going on with DJU? I ain't been in here, no drop, no in it, but I ain't really been on YouTube like that either. But I kind of have. Matter of fact, I might be tweaking, but I ain't been seeing no drop none. Last time I seen the drop song was with MAF T-Ski and shit. I ain't really been seeing him. I don't know if he's taking a break, you feel me? He don't want to, you feel me, put out too much product or whatever the case, but yeah, I remember Shorty was dropping back to back, and hey, DJ U, man, if you watch this, man, you probably don't. Let me stop down to myself, Bravo. Man, drop the rest of that about the cop and I forgot her name, man. Her husband was getting interviewed. He had it was something, man. This lady, she told on some cricket cops. Then the husband ended up shooting at the police that was trying to fucking trail her and like basically blackball her and all type of shit. The husband ended up shooting at him because he thought the police officers that was on her ass was about to kill her. But I don't know if maybe I'm tweaking. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe he never put out the other part with the boyfriend, her boyfriend at the time, because he ended up doing like 5 years or something for the shit. When he was telling his side of the story, and I wanted to see the rest of that because I seen all of the female, the one that the ex-cop shit, but I don't remember him putting out the whole thing. He is, but yeah, man, it was just crazy though. Besides that, the Joe Rogan thing, like it's just crazy. I'm like, what? Is he fucking running out of guests to interview, or like is he watching this? Like kind of like I feel like he kind of watching the Club Shay Shay, even though Club Shay Shay mainly on the it seemed like he mainly focused on comedians. He had some rappers on there. I know 21 Savage and man, who the fuck else that been on there? I can't even think of the nigga's name. But yeah, I feel like he like, oh man, maybe I need to step into this lane. I interviewed all the Diana Karens and Lucy Lou's and all that shit. You feel me? Let me go on and step into these. You feel me? The urban lane looking ass. But yeah, this is weird to see. Oh yeah, man, the young they saying, man, this is some fucking bullshit, man. I always just talk about this shit with my girl last night. I don't get why Young Thug didn't leave. I watched some live interviews from some lawyers and news reporters that's been reporting on the case now. They said Thug knew, man. They let him know. Well, I ain't gonna say they let him know, but he knew that these people was coming out there. I don't know why he ain't leave, man. He ain't follow the Russell Simmons. That's the smartest nigga, bro. That nigga smart. Even then, he came. He done built a record company and everything from the start for hip hop, and you know, put maybe hundreds of thousands or whatever people on whatever. But Russell was smart. He seen them people was trying to come out there. Young nigga moved somewhere where he couldn't be expedited. His ass in Bali with his fucking hands out like this and fucking legs crossed, man. Ain't baked chicken. Like, come on, man. I would like that nigga know. This nigga Thug wanna play around. They talking about this nigga got so many witnesses in this case. The trial might not start until 2027. I'm like, what the fuck they been? What is this shit we've been seeing on TV and YouTube? This not the trial. What's this? That bullshit when you go to court. Number 667-555-888, and then they tell your ass the next court date. So you telling me this man gotta wait 3 more years for the trial to even start? Y'all, come on, bro. Y'all need to cut out some of the witnesses, bro. Y'all don't need everyone, bro. It's like the feds, I believe I heard. Like, they should do it like the feds. Like, all they need is like one person to connect you and do the conspiracy shit. You don't need no fucking 300 witnesses, man. Come on, bro. Majority of them probably got the same goddamn story. Or probably ain't really got shit. Just want to put some shit on somebody so they can, you feel me, get they shit white, get they slate white clean and shit. Get they plate white clean. You feel me? Like, that shit is no other state or city do that like how Chicago and Atlanta, Georgia do. But that shit crazy. Y'all keeping people in the county that motherfucking long, and that's like I was talking with my girl. She was agreeing with me like. That's a part of their strategy to keep you in that long, you know, break you down, bro. Break you like, goddamn, I'm sitting in this county. It's shit expensive as hell on the county. The food, the commissary, And phone calls and shit, man, that shit get the add up for real, bro. Them lawyers too, fuck all that. Them lawyers, bro, that shit get the add up, bro. They fighting that shit for man. Hopefully he probably paid their ass what they needed up front. Hey man, how long? What it's gonna take for this? And that, you feel me? Hopefully that's what's going on, man. Instead of them have to paying a big ass bill every month or so or whatever they got going on. Cause I couldn't imagine fighting no motherfucking case for no motherfucking. What he been in that 2 years now? I know what I'm gonna say about 2 years now. And then another 3, what that be like 5 years? Come on, man, y'all crazy, bro. Get that man. Can that man? Is it too late for this? Probably too late for the speedy trial, huh? I don't even know if they do that in Georgia. You know, every state and shit, they got their own little rules and all that shit, laws and shit run differently. I'm learning that shit. Like it's just crazy, man. But prayers out to Young Thug, man. Hopefully he come from under that. Hopefully he ain't gotta wait no motherfucking 3 years, bro. 3 more years just to start his trial. That's some fucking bullshit. Man, I need to cross over to the motherfucker. What buddy doing? Adin Ross or whatever that nigga name is. This nigga said he's getting 10,000 per hour streaming, bro. Would he be on Twitch? I need to get on that shit. How did the fuck that nigga's corny to me? I'm sorry, I never watched this shit, but he just seemed like some corny little white boy. Not my thing. No offense to my undone chicken community, but I could just tell, like, bro, and he probably do, like, I done lived in a corn state, and I know they act, and they want to play them little fruit games all the time, and all that shit, and throwing little, you feel me, little side, you feel me, kind of racist jokes and all that shit. I could tell, and I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I would love to get involved in whatever the fuck the 10,000. If I'm on the wrong platform, I need to get off YouTube. But I know you gotta build your platform. I know it's some way or somehow he got there. I don't know, it was bothering celebrities and all that shit. That ain't really my thing. I like to come in, make y'all laugh, talk my little shit. You know, going back. But man, 10,000, that's crazy. I don't even hear what's the nigga name with the funny name? Kayak, whatever the hell his name is. Shit, I don't make that much. God, 10,000? God damn it. Well, right privilege is a motherfucker. 10,000 per hour? Nigga, that's what? And all he doing is sitting in his, it look like he's sitting in this motherfucker back room of his mama house. With a bunch of just computers and technology around and shit. It don't look like he in no big studio or nothing when I see the clips of him and shit. That's ridiculous, bro. That's, man, whoa, that's crazy. But I want to send out an apology, even though Glorilla, maybe, let me shut the fuck up. Maybe Glorilla, or maybe her grandma, or little cousin or something watch this. But I want to apologize for down here now. I thought Sexy Red was going to take over for the females, because everybody, even the males, is in tune with her shit. But they was in tune with Glow shit too, because I see him motherfuckers was back then rocking with it last year, and now. That's my fault, bro. I just was seeing Sexy Red on everything. I'm like, man, this bitch is finna just take over. This bitch like the ratchet. She like Beyonce a fucking ratchetness, you feel me? But that Glow, man, hey, man, you shut me and the doubters and the haters the fuck up. And I actually like the song. I'm like, bro, she going crazy on that motherfucker, you feel me? And I like the way she moved. She let, I ain't gonna say she let Sexy Red, but Sexy Red did her thing. She cooled down for like a year. She was working. I'm gonna say she was working for a year, working on her craft, bro, bettering herself and all that shit. You feel me? Like back in the day they did it, man. You don't just keep putting out music. Then motherfuckers eventually get tired of you, get tired of seeing you, bro. especially today. Their attention span is crazy. They be on to the next. They be on little stinky yellow. You feel me? Some shit like that. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. I like it. I like the way she moving. From that song, I could tell she was working on some real heat. I even fuck with the video, man, showing her come up, how she, you feel me? And where she at now, man, it's what is quantity over quality, however you say that shit. Man, I rocks with it, man. I won't doubt you again. I see how you coming. You were guided. He one of the top CEOs of the hip hop game. He got hella people under him. He got Moneybag Yo got the Fats nigga. Still got a Black Youngster. We ain't heard from him in a while. We got a JB Block. He's still freestyling on Triller. Who else the fuck you got? He got my boy ESTG. Ain't heard from you in a minute. Either ESTG. Need to drop something, man. Motherfuckers need some of that gangster shit. You feel me? To bump, man. But yeah, man. I just want to apologize to Glow forever down here, man. You definitely came with that motherfucking smoke. You definitely came. That's damn it. That might be a motherfucking song. You and Sexy Red might have a little battle, the song of the summer, that or that Get It Sexy or whatever that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That had me. That Get It Sexy, that got me want to hip roll like shoulder. Let me get pause on the hip roll. That Get It Sexy make me want to shoulder roll. I ain't gonna lie. I like wanted to be like CB. My homie CB and them back in them juke party days, you feel me? She damn near had me, you know? But shout out to Glorilla. This man, Rick Ross, put on a mask of himself. I think this nigga bored and ain't got nothing else to do, man. He ain't got nothing else to do. He bored and rich, man. Don't get to doing no Diddy shit, man. You feel me? But I don't think that nigga got nothing to do. That nigga bored, bro. He ain't got shit to do. He just doing anything. And I had some wing stops, man. I recently, I don't know if it was from Indiana and Chicago, because my job is on the borderline of Indiana and Chicago in the fucking south suburbs. And I ordered some garlic parmesan, so if your fat ass watching it, or slim fat ass watching it, that sounded like, like some fruit shit, but y'all know what the fuck I'm saying. If you watching this, Rick Ross, I'm gonna need my motherfucking money back. I paid $20 for some 10-piece garlic parm, and that shit didn't have it had the garlic parm on it and all around it and all that dripping the sauce, but I didn't taste. It literally tastes like white people, back of white people ankles. Like, I was really mad at your fat ass. And then I seen you wear a mask of yourself, and you looked like a fucking dickhead. You look like, I forgot what that fucking movie or video, that shit was just fucking lame, bro. That shit was lame. And I don't even know why I'm talking about this. I think I'm really still mad about the garlic parm. I definitely think I'm still mad about the garlic parm. I spent $20 on it. Lucky I was rolling and I wasn't really that hungry. You feel me? I wasn't really that damn hungry. So, I can't be mad, but I seen you with that stupid ass mask on yourself. I don't even get where you going with it. Is you trying to set yourself up for failure? You about to go hit a bank or something? You feeling like dead pressure? I don't get it, Ross. And oh man, so I'm reading, man, that Chicago is suing Glock, the owner, the CEO of Glock or whatever, whoever invented Glock. He just died, I think like a month ago, maybe not even a month ago, a couple weeks ago. But Chicago was suing them for making the design popular or something, making the logo popular, some weird ass shit. And I'm like, how the fuck you gonna sue them for making a cool design and attracting people, you feel me, to it? Like, how the fuck does that even work? Chicago just want to blame shit on somebody and not take responsibility for shit, you know? Y'all is fucking horrible. This city is fucking Gotham City, bro. It just called Chicago. This is Chicago is Gotham City. It's crooked, bro. It's crooked as fuck. It's crooked. You feel me? That motherfucker crooked. It's crooked. This bitch is corrupt, bro. Like it ain't no motherfucking. Nah, man. I ain't gonna say it ain't no damn opportunities, but man, it ain't no. It ain't motherfuckers. You gotta really know somebody, bro. This is one of them cities, bro. This is like some Hollywood shit. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta damn near know somebody to be, to get up there. Have a hell of a plug. You feel me? And you feel me? Take off from there. Cause a lot of these niggas holding shit to their chest. A lot of niggas don't want to see you get past them. You feel me? A lot of niggas in competition, bro. Just in competition. In Chicago, is like one man there. Chicago just one of those places, bro. It's just wild. Like, man, if you like for real, if you can make it out of here, bro, you can make it anywhere, bro. Like, it's just so fucking corrupt, bro. We done had, that's what I was trying to get to. I'm sorry, I was rolling this good old weed. We done had with fucking 3 mayors in the last 4-5 years. Like, that's fucking crazy. Ain't nobody even been able to finish their terms or whatever the case may be. Like, what the fuck? And then now you want to blame it on Glock because motherfuckers Glock. Before that, motherfuckers ain't had Glocks. They had Rugers and Berettas and all that shit. Even though it wasn't as bad, I'll say. But shit, it was up there. It was up there, and it was motherfucking stuck. And these young niggas stay. Like, you want to blame it on Glock. No, nigga, blame it on no motherfucking, who y'all supposed to be homicide detectives that ain't solving a motherfucker. How the fuck do y'all got these detectives in these cameras and y'all still can't solve a motherfucking murder? How? What the fuck is the point? I don't even see the point of really having the cameras, even though I'm kind of glad, you feel me, I ain't on no police shit, but I'm kind of glad that they ain't take them, because that's going to make a nigga think, bro. And when I talked about this shit and motherfuckers telling we was talking about this shit, like, man, Chicago gonna be on fire. For real, this shit gonna be like the 90s, really, bro. Motherfuckers gonna get whacked. You know it ain't no surveillance on these streets. Because the camera's supposed to see like 5 blocks away. Now motherfuckers know it's a done motherfucker deal for motherfuckers. Motherfuckers whack you right where they see you. They ain't got no motherfucking problem no more. They doing that anyway, but man, but on some real shit, I don't even see the point of it. If y'all steal my man's murder, RP murder, and I'm not gonna say my man's, but one of the guys, bro, that the guys grew up with, bro, the nigga who killed him, he killed him right under the camera. If y'all familiar, or anybody that's familiar with over East 87 in my quart, there's a camera right there, bro. He killed him right there on that block. The nigga got out of jail. The nigga did like, what, 7 years. Like, you can still murder motherfucker and get out. Barely do no time. They giving numbers out like they was giving in the motherfucking 70s and 80s. Motherfucker do it, 7. Motherfucker do back then, they'll give you a 10. Give you 10. You motherfucker do a 10. I get out while I'm what? I did a murder shit 18. I get out there at 30. You feel me? Like, Chicago crazy, man. They want to blame it on everybody else. And that's how I feel like that's how the city is as a whole. Motherfuckers want to blame everybody else except themselves. Blame yourself. Take accountability for your fucking actions. Don't fucking blame Glock. Glock ain't got nothing to do with it, mom. They just making guns. And motherfuckers just getting them. And using them motherfuckers. They ain't putting them exactly in motherfuckers saying, hey, such and such, here y'all go. Here goes some Glocks. No, they just, shit, they made a fucking a nice sign that motherfuckers want to put on a nice logo, excuse me, that they motherfuckers put on their shirts and put in their songs, make their rap name. That's not their motherfucking fault. Glock been here, I think, before Game Banger. Maybe it was after. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. But yeah, let me see if I got some other topics I want to talk about. I ain't really been on social media lately. I just, like, it's crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie, I used to be a social media head. If Facebook head, Instagram head, I ain't never really was into Snapchat. It was, you feel me? But Instagram and Facebook my thing, man. Used to be my thing. And it's, I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. And I'm man enough to admit it, man. I told you, like I said, like, if there's anything I like, I have addictive personality. I go to the extreme with it. I'll just be strolling on my phone. Just stroll. I used to be, excuse me, just strolling all day, every day, going from app to app to app to app to app. Just scrolling. You feel me? I want to say I'm proud of myself that I've outgrew that shit. You feel me? I don't go to I was the type go to social media with all my issues, all my problems, all my shit. You feel me? Like, nah, that shit don't even, you feel me, get to me. It don't even phase me. I don't even feel the urge, man. I gotta go run and tell Facebook. I gotta run and tell Instagram some shit. Like, it's like, it's just some shit to do on my spare time, and I move on from it. It's not my life. It's not my life. At one point, that shit was my damn life. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was, you feel me? You feel me? Worried about not getting likes and not being liked. But I'm cool with my 10 likes. I'm cool. I never been the most popular person. I never been the most liked person. I've really been a loner all my life. So it's cool. It's cool. But I'm just happy that I outgrew that social media shit. That shit ain't, you feel me? That ain't what I wake up to. You feel me? I used to wake nigga Lily. Ain't brush my, you know how they get them little sketches of me. Bitch, wake up, ain't even brush the teeth or nothing. But she grabbed that motherfucking phone to get it. I was like that. And right on it. As soon as I wake up, I ain't brush my teeth. What's going on Facebook? What did I miss? Like, nigga, it ain't that serious. But I just want to say I'm proud of. And anybody that's addicted to that shit or whatever, even though I know it ain't drugs, it ain't hard, you can overcome it, man. Time, shit, a lot of shit I thought I want to get over, I end up getting over, man. I'm maturing, man. And only time will tell, man. Just, you feel me? It'll come. My shit came naturally. I ain't gonna lie. I got over this shit. Got, as much cold turkey. You feel me? I ain't need no therapy or nothing. My bitch was in my head. She was getting, pardon about it, she was getting mad over this shit. How much I used to be on social media, but that ain't even an argument or nothing no more. You feel me? Like, that shit, past it. I just want to let y'all know y'all can get past it. But I don't think I got too many topics. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Love and peace, y'all. Y'all stay dangerous. Y'all stay safe, man. Man, scratch that stay dangerous shit. I ain't with that shit. I ain't no young nigga, man. I'm a old motherfucking man now, man. I ain't Jay-Z 30's the new 2030 is the fucking 30, and that's the fuck it about it. Y'all stay safe, man. Just stay around some genuine people, man. Watch your surroundings, man. Love and peace, y'all.